The IFP, it's a project of the Oppenheimers. It was formed by the Oppenheimers. We are always told that Prince Mangosuthu, when he formed the IFP, he was sent by the ANC. But that we hear from him. The leadership of the ANC, O.R. Tambo and Mandela, never said that. Actually, Mandela, when he went to London after prison, and he was going to raise money for the ANC, the first question which irritated him was, what are you going to do with Prince Mangosuthu Buthelezi? Asked by London, because he has always been a project of London. If you doubt that the IFP is not for black people, at the funeral of Prince Buthelezi, I was there. The Oppenheimer family came to that funeral. The Oppenheimer family doesn't go to any funeral. They were not at Nelson Mandela's funeral, but they were at Buthelezi's funeral because he belonged to them. The IFP belonged and still belongs to the Oppenheimer family. So we must know which projects are white projects that are masquerading as representing black people. You must know their history for who they are. They will never do anything for the betterment of our life.